name's Scheherazade Daftary, and I'm with the Delightful Table School of Home Cooking. Today we are teaching children how to cook. It's a 2-week program. So the 2-week program, the first week is a lot of fundamentals. So it's learning kitchen safety, kitchen cleanliness. We go over a lot of basic fundamentals of food preparation and meal planning and things like that to get kids used to the idea of what it means to feed themselves. The second week, if they choose to continue on to the second week, that more focuses on world cuisine. So we do a different cuisine from around the world every single day. The goal in this class is for children at the end of either the 1 or the full 2-week program to have more confidence in the kitchen, to be familiar with ingredients, and to have a broader palate. My ultimate goal is for children to leave the full 2-week program and for the parents to have a personal home chef that cooks and cleans for them. Wouldn't that be great? Doesn't that sound nice?